There is no better duo than grilled cheese and tomato soup. It's just the most comforting meal.
And I've never had it in tomato soup before, ever, in my life.
Damn!
Anyone dip their grilled cheese in ketchup?
That's impossible.
Anyone.
A lot of you.
This is the perfect fall.
For many Europeans, the idea of dipping grilled cheese into tomato soup seems unusual at first. A sandwich is normally something they would eat on its own, so combining it with a bowl of hot soup can look completely strange. But once they take that first bite, the crispy buttery bread, the melted cheese, and the rich tomato soup come together in a way they never expected. What starts as hesitation quickly turns into curiosity and genuine surprise as they realize the flavors actually complement each other. Some may still be skeptical, but others are about to discover why this simple combination has become such a beloved American comfort food. Today we are watching European tourists experience grilled cheese and tomato soup for the very first time and capturing their honest reactions as their opinions begin to change. Let's get started.
Unfortunately for tonight's show, this is too good to share. This is how tomato soup is supposed to be eaten.
Being recorded.
What's in the thing?
Sliced apples.
We got an apple right there.
Mm.
Sweetheart. Sweet and savory. Cheesy and sweet. Apples and berries?
And prosciutto and brie.
I can't even tell you what brie tastes like.
I love it. It's like a really soft, gooey cheese.
Mmm.
Do you want to make you a coffee? Or do you think you're gonna be too full?
Hold on there, partner.
Grilled cheese dipped in Campbell's tomato bisque soup, y'all.
Y'all asked for it.
Y'all asked for this as a struggle meal. I'm ultra excited for this one because I love grilled cheese and I've never had it in tomato soup before, ever in my life. Cheese pull!
Cheers. This is a 3-layered grilled cheese, y'all.
It's a 3-layered grilled cheese.
3 bread, cheese between each bread.
I'm excited. Cheers!
I got a dip. Cheers.
Cheers. Soaker. I'm not usually a tomato girly, but here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay. Okay. Wait.
This that thing.
This might be my thing, bro.
This that thing. This that thing right here. This that thing.
Oh my god.
My god.
Dip is so good. Move, bro.
It's so good. Here, y'all want a bite? Nope.
Wait, dipped is so good.
That's hot. Oh, that's hot.
Wait. Now this is using Campbell's. Imagine an actual really good made soup.
Baby. Baby.
I hate to make you guys jealous today, but I made a mac and cheese grilled cheese and I've never made one before. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be delicious. I feel like it's so hot though, I'm gonna burn my mouth. You guys have never tried your grilled cheese in the air fryer. Just trust me on it, you guys. Look how perfect this is. All right, we're just gonna go for it. Hopefully we're not burning our tongues today. Mm-hmm. I made it the exact same way as my regular grilled cheese recipe, but I got the mac and cheese from Wegmans. They have like mac and cheese you can buy and you just warm it up. I think they changed the recipe though from the usual recipe, but still so good. With the tomato bisque, you guys, it's like next level. It's just such a good pair. I only made myself one. I think I'll be full with just the one. I could always make another though. There's extra mac and cheese.
Okay, yeah, it actually has melted pretty well and it smells insane. Let's try this combo out. Let's dip into the soup. Oh my gosh. I already know this is going to be insane. The crunch of this and the combination dipping it into the soup. Oh my god, that cheese is actually really good. It's actually got quite a strong sort of like cheddar taste to it and it's not too coconutty, so I'm a massive fan. This is insane. Take this as your sign to have a grilled cheese and tomato soup. Honestly, 10 out of 10 combination. Cannot believe it has taken me this long to try it. Grilled cheese is the American way of saying it, isn't it? I feel like, would we say cheese toasty?
Today I have a grilled cheese and tomato soup. I also added Cajun turkey for protein. That was yummy. Let me know what you want to see next.
Grilled cheese and tomato soup. So cheesy. And I have my Olipop. Let's eat. Wow. Wow. There is no better duo than grilled cheese and tomato soup. It's just the most comforting meal.
Does anyone else dip their grilled cheese in their ketchup? Because my husband and my kids think I'm extremely weird, but it's delicious. I'll dip my chips in there too. Tomato soup, so good. Also, my grandma had me try it with Smucker's strawberry jam before. That is delicious.
You're really doing this right now? Girl, tomato bisque. Girl, that's ketchup.
Grilled cheese. Take a bite. You first. Do you like it? How is it? Do you like it? You don't put ketchup on your grilled cheese, Pookie? You don't put ketchup on your grilled cheese? Ketchup is mandatory for grilled cheese. Now let me take a bite. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you, God. Like that bitch right there, like that. Damn.
Get your ass out the door and get yourself a devour-worthy grilled cheese and tomato soup. You deserve it and you know it. This one's at the Bedford in Williamsburg, Brooklyn.
This is heaven. This is it.
What? Does anyone dip their grilled cheese in ketchup? Anyone?
A lot of people hate her.
There's soup right here, and you're dipping it in ketchup.
Trying menu items I've never had, Panera edition. I actually never even had Panera, but it's cold today, so this sounded really good. I got a grilled cheese and some tomato soup. Let's dig in. Never had grilled cheese and tomato soup together, so I'm so excited to try this. Grilled cheese looks so good and buttery. This is so good together. Try just the soup. I've never had tomato soup before either. That's actually really good, and I'm not the biggest fan of tomatoes. The grilled cheese is definitely my favorite. Mm-hmm. Overall, this is really good. I definitely would get it again. I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10.
Let me show you how to make roasted tomato soup and grilled cheese.
Ooh.
This is the perfect fall combo.
The band of seven keep appearing one after another. We take refuge in the temple.
Should I do one for Thursday? Uh-oh. I'm going through a crisis right now.
It's the best thing I've ever had in my life. At Fonville Press, I got the vanilla latte with skim milk. Look at how I'm sitting.
You got a grilled cheese out here for like one time that was like looked like that one.
I did?
Yeah, and you said it's so good and sourdough bread.
Okay, we got Parmesan cheese. Oh. Croutons. You want that one? Did you block my view? Well, I don't have a spoon. I don't have a spoon.
Mix it with that.
How am I supposed to drink it? Grilled cheese, baby. No salt and pepper, though. This is gonna burn my tongue. This might be my new favorite place. I love the vibes, Walt. Hey. Ow, 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 ow.
Napkins.
And spoon. Well, now he left me, so I'm eating by my lonesome in my squat position. Oh, yeah. Whoa, Big Bubba. Thank you. I needed this. You know?
They've got a fly problem.
Crouton test. Hey.
Alright, let's go.
It's the best thing I've ever had in my life. This is my new favorite place. I'm not lying. I rated it 10 out of 10. Fonville Press. What do I do with this? No, I think you leave it. Right? Oh. Okay. No, I want my crouton. Hi, little bird.
Oh, Bab.
Hello.
Is it dinner time already?
It is, and I've got you a recommended meal from America.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's grilled cheese and tomato soup.
So, we would call it cheese on toast and soup.
Well, would we? I think we'd call it a cheese toasty, wouldn't we?
Well, it's the same, isn't it, really?
I suppose it is.
Cheese on toast.
So cheese, yeah, okay. Well, cheese toasty.
Cheese toasty. Well, because you've cooked it, you want to call it cheese toasty. We'll call it cheese toasty.
No, we're not calling it cheese toasty. We're calling it grilled cheese.
Oh, it's grilled cheese then. Oh, this is nice grilled cheese.
I know. Shall we look at it?
Oh,
there you go.
That
full
looks
of cheese.
Boston, doesn't it?
And what the American people do, I've been told, is they dip it in the soup.
Oh, what, like that?
Yeah, and then eat it.
It's Boston.
You like it?
I do.
Good.